Whoa, yeah, shooters around me, I'm winning like a Murray and Clay. Ride around town, got a couple small days, celebrate these days. Been to places I ain't never seen in person, all they really gotta do is press play. Never see me speak up means I ain't got nothing nice to say. Yeah, whoa, leave me alone. I just had labels come blow up my phone. I'm in the zone, I'm in a rare type of zone. 15 foot.
Hey, what is going on, everybody? It's me, Earl here, and today we have something special today. This is Evan right here. As you guys remember, he had a C300.
Still have it.
Still have it. But this is his new pride and joy, and I'm really considering getting one. As you can see, this is the C350 that you guys haven't seen in a few days or a few weeks or whatever. But yeah, it's been a long time. I've been really invested in the wagon, and you know, I mean, this car is fun and all, but it's like there's really nothing to talk about it because it's so perfect. All right, so this is a C63. Let's pop the hood. This is the facelifted version, and mine is the pre-facelift version. If you have the pre-facelifted version of the C63, it would look exactly the same as this one. This is just the newer version, but the inside, this is, man. So give me some details on this, buddy.
So it does have the P31 package. That's something that I wanted when I was looking for these cars. It has the extra 30 horsepower with that package, so it's around like 490-ish, around there. Rear-wheel drive. The newer cars are the all-wheel drive ones, but you know, a lot of people like the classic AMG with the big engine and the rear-wheel drive. They're fun cars to drive. It's a blast. Beast, definitely. I mean, I've only had it for like, I think like 2 months.
How many miles?
I put like 1,000 miles on it. It's sitting at like 57, I think.
57. And how much maintenance have you spent on it?
All the maintenance that I've done is preventative maintenance, and I spent around like $1,400. I have a video coming on that soon.
The link will be in the description.
The garage.
The garage.
But I got some mods on the way, some cosmetic stuff, nothing power-wise.
Yeah.
Yeah. I did do the air boxes.
Oh yeah, I forgot about that. How much was that?
$550, I think. Yeah, not cheap.
Not cheap. Not cheap.
The,
well,
filters,
I mean,
the filters alone are like 200
each?
No.
Oh, I was about to say.
Yeah.
AMG badge. Isn't that crazy? And this is hand built by this guy.
Yep.
We should have looked him up on YouTube or something.
I can't even
read what he.
Yeah.
What is that? Stephen.
I can't even see.
You gotta say it in German accent.
The 6-piston, frost drilled. I do need to get brakes, so that's gonna be the next thing I probably do, because you can see the lip on there.
Oh,
the
yeah.
pads are getting down to nothing. But
It's not too bad yet.
that's gonna be another like $1,400.
1,400 bucks.
With the facelift interior too.
Right. Man,
just
this
so
is the
timeless.
difference between my car and this, the pre-facelift version, and this one. The interior just looks on another level. It doesn't even look like it comes from the same exact chassis. Very simple too. You don't even know if it's a C63 or something like that.
All it's got is the badges on the gauge cluster, and that's it.
I mean, other than that, 57,000 miles on this. This is basically brand new in comparison.
Yeah.
You got the radar, you got everything, and the back seat is also pretty decent. Well, no, that's a lie. Holy shit. You got the panoramic sunroof. Does that come with it, or is that a package too?
That comes with it, I think.
Really? That's pretty nice.
I think in Europe they made the slick tops though, if I'm not mistaken. Or maybe that was only in the Black Series. They sell like these paddle shifts.
Yeah.
They're just screwed in, so you can put on new ones, like extended ones if you wanted to.
Oh.
I think they're
perfect.
Yeah, they're a good size.
Yeah. What are these, aluminum? They are.
Yep.
They're not plastic. Yeah, they're not. Look at that speedometer. It goes over 200 miles per hour. Wait, when I said 6.3, it's a 6.2 actually.
Yeah.
Yeah.
They just badged it as a 6.3 for heritage sake.
Yeah. I mean, pretty much here is exactly the same as on the inside on the pre-facelift one, but the quality on this is so much higher than what it is now. Like,
it's more modern.
It definitely is. It feels like a 2017 or a 2018 here.
It's crazy how like when you go from like on my older W204 and then you come to this, it's just like they just flipped a switch and it's like completely different.
I definitely agree on that. And then I mean, pretty much everything is still the same. We got this, but you know, it feels more sleeker here and more modern for sure.
Yeah.
It's a very good looking car. Even today. Actually, no, this is timeless. Oh shit. Oh wow. Was that in comfort mode? Holy shit. That's
Felt the brake loose.
yeah, that's crazy. That is pretty dope. Here we go. Oh shit. Oh my god, it's so fast. It's so fast. Oh, that is crazy. That's crazy. Oh shit. Oh, it's so fast. Wow.
I think you're sold, huh?
I'm definitely sold, buddy. I'm definitely sold.
Just pop it back into comfort. It's like nothing ever happened.
25, we're going 25.
Yep.
Not even 25, we're going 20. Wow.
Final thoughts.
Final thoughts? I really want one, that's for sure. That's no doubt. Anybody wants an AMG, that's for sure. I definitely want one too. I'm just really, I think at the moment,
Smell that rubber.
yeah, you do actually. At the moment, this is a perfect car for daily, and maybe that might be in the future. I could see it, you know, white, black, stormtrooper vibes.
Yep.
Oh yeah, last question. How many miles per gallon do you get?
On like highways and stuff,
Yeah.
around like 25, 26. But yeah, just like city driving, I get like 13, which is bad, but it's a V8.
Yeah.
Kinda
Sounds about right.
that.
Yeah. But nothing beats that. Damn. I literally just rode in this for like 5 minutes, and the fact that I'm already in love with it, there's something different about these cars. Well, that's gonna wrap up for the video. This pretty much wraps up the whole video. If you guys want to see more W204 videos like this, whether it's the C63 or the C300, C350, don't forget to like that button, subscribe, and don't forget to leave a comment. I'd really appreciate when you guys give me ideas on what to make videos next. So I'll see you guys later. Peace out.